बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की
जय।
श्री कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की
जय।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्रीमान नारायण। सभी लोग let us offer मंगलाचरण prayers to भगवान श्री कृष्ण। ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभीष्टदोहम् तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यम् भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपालभवाब्धिपोतम् वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् वंशी विभूषितकरा नवनीरदाभा पीताम्बरा दरुणबिम्बफलादरुष्टा पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखा दरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। गौरांगं रसमयं नित्यं रसाचार्यं रसोत्सुकम् श्रीमद्रामहर्षणदेवाख्यं सद्गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन चोर। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की, बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्ण। When Raja Parikshit sits in front of Shukdev Ji Maharaj, so he sits with one objective, Gyan Prapti, Mukti Prapti. He wishes to get knowledge which will ultimately lead to Mukti. Mukti sabhi ko chahiye. That is why we pray to Bhagavan Shri Krishna, jiska naam hai Mukund, the one who gives freedom to his devotees. आइए मेरे साथ मिलकर के ठाकुर जी के लिए एक भजन गाएं as we ask भगवान कृष्णा to bless us this morning। हे प्रभु मुझे हे प्रभु मुझे बता दो, हे प्रभु मुझे बता, चरणों में कैसे आऊं, माया के बंधनों से छुटकार कैसे पाऊं, हे प्रभु मुझे बता, कैसे आओ, हे प्रभु मुझे बताओ, हे प्रभु मुझे बता दो। जानू कोई पूजन, अज्ञानी हूँ मैं भगवन।
न जानो कोई पूजन, अज्ञानी हूँ मैं भगवन।
न जानू कोई पूजन, अज्ञानी हूँ मैं भगवन।
न जानो कोई पूजन, अज्ञानी हूँ मैं भगवन।
करना कृपा दयालु,
करना कृपा दयालु।
इस कैसे मैं दिखाऊं, हे प्रभु मुझे बता। चरणों में कैसे आऊं,
हे प्रभु मुझे बता।
मैं हूँ पतित स्वामी, तुम हो पतित पावन।
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 अवगुण भरा हृदय में,
अवगुण भरा हृदय,
अवगुण भरा हृदय, इस कैसे मैं दिखाऊं, हे प्रभु मुझे बता। चरणों में कैसे आऊं,
हे प्रभु मुझे बता।
हे प्रभु मुझे बता। चरणों में कैसे आऊं, हे प्रभु मुझे बता। हे प्रभु मुझे बता। राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
ओ राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
ओ राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम, राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम।
राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम, राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम।
राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम, राधे श्याम श्याम।
राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम, राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम।
ओ राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
ओ राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम राम।
ओ राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम।
राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम।
ओ राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम राम।
राजा राम राम राम,
सीता। हे प्रभु मुझे बता दो। बोलो भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। तो राजा परीक्षित sitting in front of सुखदेव जी महाराज, हे प्रभु मुझे बताओ, हे भगवान, you have appeared to me in this most critical part of my life. आप ज्ञान प्रकाशित करिए, मार्ग प्रकाशित करिए. Show me the way forward. Tell me what I must do. When Shukdev ji Maharaj hears this question of Raja Parikshit, he says, Rajan, हमारे सत्य सनातन धर्म बहुत धन्य है. This religion that we have, Satya Sanatan Dharma, there is a path for everyone. There is a Devi, Devata for everyone. जिसको चाहे इष्ट बनाओ, make any of them your Ishtadev, and all of them have the power to grant you happiness. But if you are seeking a specific fruit, if you have a specific lakshya in your mind, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा किसकी आराधना करना चाहिए, किसकी पूजा करनी चाहिए, who you should worship. Sometimes you feel कि इतने सारे देवी देवता है, so many Devis and Devatas, who should we worship? Should we worship Ganesh ji? Should we worship Bhagavan Shiv, Bhagavan Shri Ram, Bhagavan Krishna, Jagadambike Maiya? And in Bharat Desh, every region that you go, a different Devi Devata is more prominent. Dusra pradhan hai. In northern Bharat, not many people worship Kartikeya, the son of Bhagavan Shiv. But if you go to Dakshina Bharat, then the puja of Kartikeya is very important. When you go to Maharashtra, you see the devotion they have for Ganesh ji Bhagavan. When you go to other states like Kashi Vishwanath, you see the love they have for Sadashiva Shankar. When you go to Bengal, then you see the love they have for Jagadambika Maiya. So, Shukdev ji Maharaj, today he will tell Raja Parikshit in a few shlokas, depending on what you wish to obtain, who you should worship. Everybody wants something. I'll be very surprised if there's anyone sitting here today who is worshipping Bhagavan with what we say Niskama Bhakti, Niskama Prem, without any sankalpa, without any desire. Hum sab sadharan manushya hai, we are all normal people. और ये दुनिया बड़ी स्वार्थी होती है. This world is a very selfish world. Even when you pray to Bhagavan, you're always asking for something. तो आज बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. Depending on what you wish to ask Bhagavan, who you should be praying to. Brahma varcha sakamastu yajet brahmanaspatim Indramindriya kamastu praja kama prajapati. Shukdev ji Maharaj says, sabse pehle Rajan, if you wish for knowledge, well then you have to worship the Acharya of the Devatas, Brihaspati ji. We always say the Navagraha Stotram, and we always say Brihaspati. Brihaspati means Deva Acharya. In English you say Jupiter. When you check your astrology, to Brihaspati Dev, he is in charge of that planet. So Brihaspati Dev, the Acharya of the Devatas, he is one who can give you knowledge. Lekin Rajan, if you wish to enjoy this world, Indriya Kamastu Praja Kama Prajapati, then worship Devendra. When we do our Havan, we say Om Indraya Namah, Om Prajapati Namah, Om Brihaspati Namah. So focus your prayers on Indradev. He is one who can give you more enjoyment of the senses. Devi Mayam Tushri Kama Tejas Kamo Vibhavasu. Shukdev ji Maharaj कहते हैं, if you wish to enjoy Aishwarya, when we offer Sankalp, we often say Saubhagyam or Aishwaryam. Two things everybody wants. Saubhagya kya hota hai? What does it mean to have Saubhagya? Literally in English, you can say good fortune. Saubhagya means if you feel hungry, somebody appears in front of you with a plate of food. You don't even have to ask. And Aishwarya means you have so much wealth, you have so much sampatti, you have so much power that whenever you feel hungry, you have the ability to procure food. You only have to make a phone call and you can eat whatever you want. So Saubhagya and Aishwarya, two things everybody asks for. Shukdev Ji Maharaj says, Rajan, Devi Mayam tu Shri Kama, Tejas Kamo Vibhavasu. If you wish for this kind of Saubhagya, if you wish for this kind of Aishwarya, prosperity, then you worship the Devis, you worship the Divine Mother. Vasukamo Vasu Rudra Virya Kamo Taviryava. If you wish for energy, if you wish for Virya, if you wish for strength, then worship Bhagavan Shiv in the form of his Rudra avatar. Rudra Bhagavan ki puja karo and you will be blessed with unending strength, unending stamina. Tejas Kamo Vibhavasu. If you wish for children, Bandhuo, if you wish to have offspring, to Shukdev Ji Maharaj says, Prajapati ki puja karni chahiye. When we do our puja, we say, Om Indraya Namah, Om Prajapataye Namah. So do the puja of Prajapati. Ayushkamo Tamashvino Devo Pushtikam Ilam Yajet Pratishtakama Purusho Rodasi Lokamataru. Shukdev Ji Maharaj कहते हैं, there are many people who are scared of dying. You want to live a very long life. Ayush Kamo Shvino Devo. If you wish to have a long life, do the puja of Ashwini Kumar, the two twin devatas, Ashwini Kumar. Do their puja and they bless you with long life. If you wish for stability in your life, अगर आपको लगता है कि भटकते रहते हैं, you're always moving from one place to another, you're never able to settle in one area. तो Shukdev Ji Maharaj कहते हैं, Rodasi Lokamataro, worship the mother of this world, Mata Prithvi. Whenever we do any puja, before doing Ganeshi Bhagwan puja, while we are setting up this puja, we do Swasti Vachan Sankalpa, we always do Prithvi Sthapanam. Om Prithvi Tvaya Dhrita Loka Devi Tvam Vishnunadita. Hey Ma, आपकी धरती पे ही ये पूजा हो रही है. This puja is taking place on your dharti. We are existing on your dharti. Hey Ma, without your permission, without your ashirvad, nothing is possible. Pray to Prithvi Maiya if you wish for stability in your life. Shukdev Ji Maharaj कहते हैं, if you wish for dhan, pratishtaka mahapurusho. If you wish for dhan, then you have to worship the Vasus. Rupa vikamo gandharva stri kamo apsara urvashim. Everybody has different desires, different lakshya. Shukdev Ji Maharaj says, if you wish for a beautiful form, agar aapko sundar roop chahiye, so you should worship the Gandharvas. There are many different levels of beings in this world. You have Paramatma, then you have the Devatas, then you have below the Devatas many different beings, Yaksha, Gandharva. All of these beings have the ability to bless you with certain types of Ashirvad. Shukdev Ji कहते हैं, worship the Gandharva if you wish for Sundar Roop. और अगर आपको सुंदर पत्नी चाहिए, if you wish to obtain a beautiful wife, तो स्त्रीय कामो अप्सरा उर्वशीम, तो उर्वशी की पूजा करनी चाहिए. The celestial Gandharva who resides in Svargalok. आदित्य पत्य कामः सर्वेषां यजेत परमेष्टिनम् यज्ञं यजेत यशः काम कोश काम प्रचेतसम्. Shukdev Ji Maharaj कहते हैं, if you wish for fame in this world, अगर यश की अभिलाषा है, so worship the master of all यज्ञ. यज्ञम यजेत यशस काम. यज्ञ देव कौन है? भगवान विष्णु. He is the acharya of all the yajna. He is the one who gives the fruits. He is the one who takes care of your puja. Shukdev ji कहते हैं, if you wish for fame, then you can worship Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Vidya kamastu girisham. What if you wish for knowledge? What if you are a student and you wish for Bhagavan to bless you with vidya? Vidya kamastu girisham. Girisham means Bhagavan Sadashiva Shankar. Bhagavan Shiv holds the key to giving us knowledge. Nrita vasane nataraj raju. When he played his damru, and all of the saints and sages were sitting around him, whether they were specialists in the medical field, so they gained medical knowledge. If they were specialists in music, then they got musical knowledge. Panini ji, he wished for the knowledge of Sanskrit Vyakaran. So that is the knowledge he heard when Bhagavan Shiv played his damru. The Bhagavan Shiv is the source of knowledge. Dampatyartha umam sati. Shukdev ji says, Dampatya. Dampatya means in your married life. If you wish for happiness in your married life, then you must worship the Ardhangini of Bhagavan Shiv, Mata Bhavani, Ma Uma. That is why we always pray to Bhagavan Shiv, Parvati Parameshwaro, Uma Sahitam Bhavani. We always pray to Bhagavan Shiv with Mata Parvati. Both of them bless you with different things. इसमें तो 5-6 और श्लोक है. There are 5 or 6 more verses where Shukdev ji goes into great detail. Whatever you wish, you can ask Bhagavan for. Dvitiya Skand. In the 2nd Skand in the 3rd chapter, if anybody wishes to read, you can read for yourself. But in the end, Antim Shlok, Shukdev ji Maharaj, as he is explaining to Raja Parikshit about all of the different fruits, all of the different things you can ask, he gives one last upaya to Raja Parikshit. Akama sarvakamo va mokshakama udaradhi. Shukdev ji कहते हैं, राजन, akama sarvakamo va. Until now I have told you, if you want this object to pray to this Devi, if you want this object, pray to this Devata. Lekin akamaha, the one who has no desires. But sarvakamova, the one who wants everything. मतलब अगर आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी आप सब कुछ चाहते हो. If there is nothing in particular that you want, but still you want everything that this life has to offer. Mokshakama udaradhi. If you wish to enjoy this life, and then at the end of this life, ki moksha prapti ho, you wish to obtain that incredible freedom, you wish to obtain moksha. Tivrena bhakti yogena yajet purushah param. Yajet purusham param. All of this is possible through Bhakti Yoga and by worshipping Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Shukdev ji Maharaj. And finally, he tells Raja Parikshit, worship Bhagavan Krishna. Everything that I have mentioned to you before, he can give you all of that. Or maybe he will give you none of that. But one thing is guaranteed, if you tread on the path of Bhakti Yoga, when the time comes, Bhagavan Shri Krishna will be there to give you moksha. Teen lok ko raj sukh dekho tula charai. Nimish prem sukh garuvati tehi aage घटी जाई. Everyone wants to be happy. सबको सुख चाहिए. And everybody is searching for sukh in different areas of your life. Shukdev Ji Maharaj कहते हैं, Rajan, the one who can give you this happiness, Nimish Prem Sukh Garuv Ati, is none other than Satchidanand Bhagavan. None other than Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Anand Sindhu Sukh Rashi. He is the one who can give you happiness. He is the one who can give you Anandam. He can give you wealth. He can give you Aishwarya, Saubhagya. सब कुछ दे सकते हैं और सब कुछ देने के बाद आपको मोक्ष भी दे सकते हैं. After giving you all of these things, at the end he will give you moksha. Shukdev Ji says, Rajan, aap batao. Tell me what you want, and based on your sankalp, I will tell you the katha that you wish to hear. Based on your desires, I will tell you the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. देखिए, there are so many different Leelas in our Dharma Shastra. So based on what you want to listen to, if you are the devotee of Bhagavan Shiv, then you can listen to Mahashiv Puran. If you are the devotee of Jagadambika Maiya, so you can listen to Devi Bhagavatam. If you are the devotee of Bhagavan Krishna, you can listen to Bhagavad Puran. But even in Bhagavad Puran, there is so much Vedanta, there is so much philosophy, there are so many deep lessons. But if you are somebody who loves Bhagavan Krishna, then you can just focus on his Bala Leela, on the stories of his childhood. Shukdev Ji is saying, Rajan, aap kya sunna chahte ho? What do you want to listen to? Raja Parikshit कहते हैं, गुरुदेव, सवे भागवतो राजा पांडवे ओ महारथ बालक्रीडा कने क्रीडन कृष्ण क्रीडा याद दे कृष्ण क्रीडा याद दे. Raja Parikshit says, Gurudev, when children are small, they have many different toys and they play with many different things. When I was a child, I had only one toy. It was a small murti of Bhagavan Krishna. Everybody takes this murti and places it in their altar, and they do Panchamrita Snan, they offer prasad. I kept this murti with me and I played with Bhagavan in my childhood. He was my friend. When I am eating, he is sitting next to me and he is eating. When I am sleeping, he is lying in my bed and he is sleeping next to me. Bala krida kanai kridan, Krishna kridam yadade. He was my friend as a child. This little murti of Bhagavan Krishna. Hey Gurudev, तेरी शरण में आके मैं धन्य हो गया. Raja Parikshit says, Gurudev, आपकी शरण में आया हूँ. Today I have come into your protection. It is because of some good punya that I have done in my past life. कि आप जैसे महासंत मेरे सामने बैठे हैं. You are sitting in front of me and you have all of this knowledge. You know all of the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Bhagavato Raja Pandaveyo Maharatha, the great warrior, the great descendant of the Pandavas. He says to Shukdev Ji Maharaj, Gurudev, I only wish to hear the stories of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Krishna Darshana Lalasa. I only wish to get the darshan of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Therefore, tell me the katha that is focused towards Bhagavan Shri Krishna, Satchidananda Bhagavan. Bolo Bhakta Vatsal Bhagavan ki jai. Lagat hai mohe pyaro yadovar, lagat hai mohe pyaro. मथुरा में हरि जन्म लियो है मथुरा में, हरि जन्म लियो है गोकुल में पधारो, गोकुल में पधारो। लागत है मोहे प्यारो यादुवर, लागत है मोहे प्यारो, लागत है मोहे प्यारो यादुवर, लागत है मोहे प्यारो। परीक्षित कहते हैं कि गुरुदेव मथुरा में हरि जन्म लियो है। आप जैसे कथावाचक सामने बैठे हैं, टेल मी अबाउट भगवान कृष्णा, द वन हु इज बोर्न इन मथुरा, लेकिन गोकुल में पगधारो, so the one who went to Gokul. I wish to hear about the Bal Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. जन्मत ही उतना गति दीनी,
जन्मत ही
अधम उदाहरण हारो,
अधम उदाहरण
लागत है मोहे प्यार यादुवर, लागत है मोहे। Parikshit says there are many sweet stories in our Bhagavad Purana. There are many sweet stories in Ramcharitmanas, but only in Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran itne vistar roop se, Dasham Skand is a very large chapter in such great detail. You can see the Bal Leela, the childhood stories of Bhagavan Krishna. That is why Raja Parikshit says, Gurudev, now that I have you in front of me, with this limited time that I have left to live, all I want to hear are the stories of Bhagavan Krishna. Yamuna ke tir dhenu charave,
यमुना के धेनु चरावे,
यमुना के तीर धेनु चढ़ावे,
यमुना के
धेनु चढ़ावे, ओढ़े कामर तारो, ओढ़े कामर तारो। सुंदर वन कमल दल लोचन, सुंदर वन कमल दल लोचन, पीतांबर पटवारो, पीतांबर पटवारो। लागत है मोहे प्यारो यादुवर,
लागत है मोहे प्यारो।
यमुना के तीर धेनु चरावे। Lakshmipati Narayan, master of Vaikuntha Lok, comes onto Prithvi Lok not to live in a palace, but to take Gau Mata, to take the cows on the banks of the Yamuna and play with them and to feed them and to take care of them. ये भगवान की बाल लीला है. When Bhagavan Sri Ram came into this world, he spent his childhood in a palace. So Tulsidas ji, he did not write very much about the Bal Leela of Bhagavan Sri Ram. और हमारे बंसी वाले, his childhood is spent in a forest. और कितने विस्तार रूप से, how many Bal Leela we have about the one known as Banwari. मोर मुकुट मकराकृत कुंडल,
मोर मुकुट मकराकृत कुंडल,
मोर मुकुट मकराकृत कुंडल,
मोर मुकुट मकराकृत कुंडल,
कर में मुरली गदा पद्म विराजे,
शंख चक्र गदा पद्म विराजे,
संतन के रखवारो,
संतन के रखवारो,
लागत है मोहे प्यारो क्या भूवर, लागत है मोहे प्यारो,
लागत है मोहे प्यारो, लागत है मोहे,
लागत है मोहे, लागत है मोहे, लागत है मोहे प्यारो। सवे भागवतो राजा, राजा परीक्षित is the ultimate devotee of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Bolo Bhaktavatsal Bhagavan ki jai. When you have that kind of devotion for Bhagavan Shri Krishna, then it doesn't matter which part of the world you are sitting in. Bhagavan makes his katha available to you. The same way he sent Shukdev Ji Maharaj to save Raja Parikshit. The same way, if you have this love for Bhagavan Shri Krishna, there is no situation, there is no location, there is no place, there is no time where Bhagavan Shri Krishna cannot reach you and save you. Bolo Bhakta Vatsal Bhagavan ki jai.